In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to film cinematic video on a $0 budget. Filming on a $0 budget means we have money for nothing. No cameras, tripods, lighting, lenses, drones, nothing. Which means we have to work on nothing but our phone. This is a iPhone SE, which is a 4-year-old phone, and will be what I'm using in this video. If you are an Android user, many of the tips that I'll be giving in this video will still apply to you. Let's begin. Since we are working on a $0 budget, I'll be using the generic camera app. Though it doesn't have extensive manual controls like Filmic Pro or the Moment camera app, it is still a very powerful tool. First, we want to go into our camera settings and turn on our 3x3 grid. This will help us with getting cinematic video. We can also adjust the video quality, which I'll be leaving at 1080p. Now, I've made a YouTube playlist of all the videos that I have found helpful on filmmaking. So if you're looking to master filmmaking techniques, be sure to go down in the description. I have a link to that playlist. But some simple filmmaking techniques to increase the quality of your video is to first make sure that your shot is not overexposed or underexposed. Your phone should do this automatically, but sometimes fails. You can manually set this yourself by holding down on the screen where your subject is. This will lock the focus and the exposure, and then you can scroll up or down to adjust the exposure. Second, make sure your shot always has a subject. This can be a flower, a person, or anything you are trying to photograph. Then, make sure your subject is touching one of the 4 intersecting lines on the grid. This is called the rule of thirds. As long as your subject is lined up with one of those intersecting lines, it'll make your shot look much more cinematic. The next time you're watching a TV show or a movie, be sure to keep an eye out for the rule of thirds. If your phone has the ability to do slow motion or a time lapse, these effects almost always look cinematic. Plus, you could probably even just download an app. There's plenty of apps out there that let you do time lapses or slow motion, even if it's not built in to your phone. One of the best ways to edit your videos for free is to use a multitude of apps. There's no app out there that does everything super well for free. So here are the free apps that I used on my iPhone. Number 1 is iMovie. iMovie is good for splitting, trimming, and connecting all your video clips together. Cinematical. This app will allow you to add the cinematic black bars to your video. ColorTime 2.4. This app will allow you to do some basic color grading to your videos. Last but not least, GoRecord. This app allows you to record your iPhone or iPad screen. This also allows you to record copyright-free music and copyright-free sound effects straight off of YouTube. Now, let's take a look at the final result. Now, don't stop learning filmmaking with this video. Be sure to go down into the description, click on that playlist, and watch through those videos, soak in all that knowledge, and I'll see you guys in the next video.